Viewer from St. Paul wants to know whether or not there was any changes in privacy laws this session. We also have had a couple of questions, and actually it's been from the very start, about whether or not the legislature is going to pass legislation with regard to drone issues, which of course have raised some privacy concerns at the federal level. And I was surprised to hear that there has been some discussion on that in this session. So let's talk about privacy for a moment. Representative Scott, let's start with you.
Well, thank you. I have in the past been the chair and then was vice chair of the Data Practices Subcommittee. Mm-hmm. And I think it's almost to the point these issues are going to have to become almost a full committee, because on the Civil Law Committee we could spend all of our time just on data issues. And for your viewers out there that may or may not know, Representative Mary Liz Holberg is the resident expert on all things data and protecting people's privacy and what government should be, showing the public about it, and then what we as citizens, private citizens, should have protected from the government. So we did have several bills this year. The license plate reader, we still didn't get that ironed out. That was still, I guess it died in conference committee.
What does that mean? Tell our viewers what that means.
Well, the certain law enforcement vehicles have license plate readers, and they can, I forget that it's thousands of license plates that they can read per minute, I believe, and then they check that against, is there a warrant out for someone's arrest? Is someone being searched for by law enforcement? And the controversy is right now that data is being kept indefinitely. And so that includes data on people sitting around this table that don't have warrants out for their arrest. So innocent people are having their data, their whereabouts at a certain time, basically being kept by law enforcement. So that was the bill. We actually passed that last year out of the House, that should be only, if you run it through once and there's no hits, the data should be destroyed. The Senate came, I think they were 90 days. Mm-hmm. And they just couldn't iron that out, the differences in conference committee this year. But I think that this is an issue that won't go away.
And it's bipartisan.
It is bipartisan.
This is one that clearly is not a partisan issue. It really is a bipartisan issue.
In fact, it was kind of, they're in our caucus anyway, it was some of the law enforcement people that really had the most objection to this, because they were looking at how can we help the law enforcement folks do their job, and then the others were saying, well, they may be prone to taking advantage of.
And our sheriffs weighed in on this.
Yes, yeah, we had the sheriffs kind of on this too. So, but there was another bill, wasn't there, on the tracking of electronic devices?
Right.
We did pass that, didn't we?
Yes, I believe we passed that. Brandon Peterson had it in the Senate, and then Joe Atkins had it in the House. I do believe that we passed that, and it was a good bill. But there'll be ongoing issues like this. As technology increases, so does our need for protecting people's privacy.
I think we set up an interim working group that's going to be looking at more of these issues.
That, and one of Mary Liz Holberg did have a bill that sets up a commission to study these things.
That was it, right, the commission.
And so I've asked to be on that commission. I hope that I am appointed to that commission. I think it's one that's, it's going to be one that people that are interested can definitely get involved at this level and really watch this thing grow. And
these new smartphones that we have, they can tell a lot about us, but oftentimes maybe to people that we don't even know. So as we get more technologically sophisticated, we have to find some way to, I guess, protect people to make sure they're not.
All I will say about the legal issues is that I get any number of journals that arrive in my office. I can't possibly read them all, but every single one of them has an article or a series of articles that deal with privacy-related issues. And so my guess is it, A, won't go away, and B, won't get any less complicated between now and when you folks return. So.
You're right.
Exactly.